Picking up where we left off on number 39, express these as threes. So the first one is easy. It is what it is. And the second one, well, the radicand, this is the radical, the square root. When you think square root, I want you to think of fraction exponent. That's probably worthy of writing down in your notes. So I'm going to say 3 to the what would give me the cube root of 3. So this is like convert from, we'll go this way, convert from radical form to rational exponent form. You can look back in your review packet to see you've already done that. It turns out that it's 3 to the 1/3. Remember, there's like an invisible 1 here, and that's a 3. Okay. Now this is an easier solve problem, except it involves some fractions, which is many of you not your favorite. So simply solve. And you get -11/9. The fraction work gets a little complicated in there. Reach out to your teacher if you need help following the work. -11/9 is your answer. For number 40, we're going to try to express it as, well, either we're going to express it as a 4 or we're going to express it as a 2. We're going to go with the smaller one, a 2, which means this one is 2 squared. Raise the rest of it. And this one, well, how am I going to express? Well, 2 to the what gives me 1/√2. A couple things going on here. You're going to need to think about this one. Square root means fraction exponent. So it's going to be 2 to some fraction exponent. Okay. This is a square root. And it's in the bottom, remember, fraction bar, so it's a negative fraction bar. Block that off. Now we're going to have to multiply these, distribute these. I get 2 to the 4x minus 2 is 2 to the -1/2. Cross out my bases and solve. So solve normally, plus 2, divide by 4. Now I said divide by 4, and that's valid. But since I'm doing fractions, let's do it the fraction way. Instead of dividing by 4, I'm going to multiply by a 1/4, which cancels. And I multiply by 1/4. And hopefully it's easy for you to see now why I get x equals 3/8. Final answer.